Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan. Phytic acid, overnight oats. What do we use? What are the ingredients? What do we got going on? Step inside. Let me show you what's going on, guys. Okay, so here's what we got going on today. We have mini blueberries. We have rolled oats. We have raspberries, pumpkin seeds, no oil and no salt. We have chia seeds and we have walnuts. We have 2 jars right here and we have a ball jar funnel. Okay, if you don't have one of these guys, much needed because pouring food in here might get all over the place. You just pop it right there and you're good to go. All right. I don't know if you have ever heard your mom or your grandma or your grandfather or your father say, you know what, let me go ahead and soak these beans. Let me soak the grains overnight. Okay. The whole purpose of soaking your grains, okay, probably about 8 hours plus. The more, the better. Okay. Phytic acid is an anti-nutrient in a nutshell. It prevents the absorption of certain minerals into your body. That's it, okay? There are some benefits of phytic acid, okay? Some might be antioxidants, etc., etc. But the whole reason why I soak my oats and I soak my grains is to decrease, not eliminate, but to decrease the phytic acid content in that specific food that I'm eating. That's pretty much it, okay? Phytic acid, it does anything from deficiencies and so on and so on. And we don't want deficiencies, right? We want to go ahead and maintain all the nutrients in our body as we can. So, very easy and very simple. If you don't like the blueberries, substitute. If you don't like the raspberries, substitute. You have strawberries, you have mangoes, you have grapes, you have bananas, you have everything underneath the sun, even apples, and putting a little bit of citric acid, which is going to be lemon juice or lime juice. And that's it, so it doesn't turn brown. So again, if you don't like walnuts, go ahead and do sunflower seeds. If you don't like the pumpkin seeds, do macadamia. Guys, this is totally up to you, but this is what I'm going to be using today. So, very simple and very easy. I'm going to pour half in here, and I'm going to pour half in here, okay? Probably about a quarter or a little bit less, or a little bit halfway or less. And I'll tell you why. When you put the liquid in here, this is going to swell up. The oats right here are going to absorb the liquid and they're going to swell up. So you want to leave room, okay, for when it swells up. So we have oats in either one. We have, I'm going to do all the blueberries in this one. Over to this one, and I'm going to do all the raspberries in this one right here. Okay? So we have that. Now, we have the walnuts. Move that over. We have the pumpkin seeds. Half in there. Half in there. Other ingredients that you can use. Cinnamon, beautiful. Cocoa, no sugar or anything added. Organic, ready to go. You can add some salt in there if you want, okay? You can add some turmeric in there. Then what you want to do is you want to add about a little bit over half of a non-dairy milk. Then you come over here. Let's even it out. And a little bit more in that one. Even it out on that bad boy a little bit. Good to go. I don't like to do all non-dairy milk. I like to add a little bit of water in there. Okay? And we add a little bit of water into that one. You can do 10 of these at a time. How long do they last for? They last about 5 days, guys. That's how long they last for. So look at that. See the gap? See the room? Just about that much. Okay? Look at how beautiful that is. And you also want to go ahead, put the top on. Put the top on here. I'm going to show you some tricks of the trade. So when you shake it up like this, most times the chia seeds get stuck on the sides. So you just want to go ahead and get a spoon or whatever, or a butter knife, and you want to just kind of stir it up and get all that on the side. Like this one. This is a pure example. I didn't even shake it up, and look at it. Okay, everything's on the bottom. Because chia seeds, when liquid is added to them, it becomes a gel. Okay, so we want to go ahead and shake that puppy up like that. Look at that color already. Beautiful, guys. Look at that. So that is good to go. So in the morning, you can add more liquid. You can add water or non-dairy milk of your choice. And this one also. Okay? Even in a couple hours, you can go ahead and stir it and add a little bit more. But again, this right here is custom to your needs, guys. That is it. That took me about 5 minutes, not even. Okay? Overnight oats, phytic acid, what to use, ready to rock, just for you. All right, guys, there you have it. 2 different types of overnight oats, phytic acid, ingredients to use, how long to soak it for. Have an amazing day. Till next time, my name is Joseph. Thanks for watching, guys.